What's up, guys? BNSF. That's an early morning train. Surprisingly, I didn't hear this one coming, but I got it. Thankfully. I came rushing out here to get this one for you guys. Seriously. I came rushing out here to catch it. I actually thought I almost would miss it, but and then I also had a feeling it could have just been already going by, so thankfully that wasn't the case. Apparently. Yeah, guys, I did catch a bit of a cold, but oh well. I'm still out here in the freezing cold, as you guys. It probably looks cold. And it's cold, and I'm kind of being dumb right now. I'm out here in the cold when I probably shouldn't be, but oh well. Who cares? One minute and 15 seconds so far in the video. Maybe there could be a DPU we get, but I don't know. That might be dead. What? Oil cars. Oh. Got DPUs. Got GATX cars. BNSF, like we expected. But this is quite an oh my! Guys, that's an SD75I, or no, that's an SD75M. Oh my goodness! Okay, guys, if you're wondering why I just think that that kind of BNSF is rare, I haven't seen one of those. I seen one, but the last time I saw one was back in like the beginning of November or something, or like the end of November. Guys, see you next one. Goodbye. Bye.